Hey, I wanted to show off my new, I don't know what you call it, guitjo, bangar, I don't know. It's a 6-string, obviously there. It's a grash. It's got a cool little head. Some sort of like weird mother and pearl inlay. It's got a banjo head. So, tune it like a banjo, play it like a guitar, play it like a banjo. I don't know what you do with it. Here's a song though. There we are. Enjoy.